The Tactile Knife BEXAR draws influence from the timeless slip-joint jackknives, presenting a contemporary folding knife that is expertly crafted for precision and offers an exceptionally smooth carry. Its durable titanium handle scales feature intricate milling for texture, providing a home for the blade and backspring within a slender, lightweight package measuring less than 7 mm in thickness. Boasting a classic clip point made from the modern CPM MagnaCut, the knife ensures a well-balanced performance. For outstanding performance in a non-locking design with a two-hand open blade, the BEXAR stands out as a top-tier choice. Crafted from stone-washed CPM MagnaCut, the clip point blade of this knife exhibits a snappy slip-joint action, facilitated by the milled fullers on the blade, ensuring a smooth opening, and secure half-stop feature enhances safety during use. The high saber grind combined with the thin stock results in outstanding cutting performance and robust durability. The slim titanium handle of this knife features a milled texture and chamfered edges, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip during use. The solid back spring adds ample tension for safety, while maintaining a smooth and easy operation. The knife's construction is further enhanced with custom titanium hardware, and it includes an inline lanyard, making it well-suited for slip sheath carry.